Okay, see if this one, it's my second time doing this because the first one I lost. Alright, so without further ado, let's do a couple. I'm not going to do all of them, I'm just going to do a few. So let's do 4. Okay, so let's start with 4. So on number 4, you have 11 over 15. So 11 over 5, sorry. Ugh, too big. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember what 11 over 5 is. It's 1/5. So imagine this is 1/5, one piece. I need 11 of these. Okay. So at the bottom I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to do 3/5. So this one is the easy one. So this is 3/5 right there. On top I need 11 of those. 11 1/5 pieces. So here's 5, 10, and one more gives us 11. So there's 11 1/5 pieces. So this says it's a grouping, right? So it's easier if you think of it as a group. How many 3/5 fit in these 11? So how many groups of 3 can I make? And well, I can make 1, 2, 3 for sure. And then if I try to make another group of 3, I won't be successful. So, but I'll definitely can make a group of 2 out of the 3 that I was originally trying. So there's your answer. The other method, we can eliminate the denominators because the units are the same. We write that as a fraction, 11 over 3. That's an improper. Change it to a mixed number. 3 goes into 11 3 times. Left over 2 over 3. So notice whether, regardless of which way you choose, that you get the same answer. Bigger. Let's try this one. I'll try this one. 4/5 is what you have. So remember, the first fraction is what you have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 4/5 of something, right? And then I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going 5. Make that a little too big. Let me just cut it. Here's something 5. I'm going to need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to shade 6/5. Well, again, 6/5. Imagine this is a 5th right here, right? 1/5. So 6/5 means I need 6 of these, and this is exactly what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many times can these 6 fit inside that 4? How many times can 6/5 fit inside 4/5? Well, I can definitely, I can't make a group of 6 out of 4. Just not impossible. But this can fit in here. This one can fit in here. This one can fit in here. And this one can fit in here. So out of the 6 that I was trying to fit in those 4 spaces, I wasn't able to put all 6, but I was able to put 4 out of the 6 that I originally wanted to put in. 5, 2/3. 1, 2. Need a little help here. So 2/3, you get this. 5/3 is 3/3, 4/3, and 5/3 right here. So again, remember, this is 1/3. 5/3 means I need 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So how many of these 5 can I fit in these 2 spaces, right? Or how many groups of 5 can I make out of 2? You can't make a group of 5 out of 2. So, but you can definitely make a group of 2 out of how many you were trying to make. You're trying to make a group of 5. So you were only able to make a group of 2 out of the 5. Or you had 2 spaces over here, 2 slots, and you were trying to put these 5 inside. Well, this can go inside this one. This can go inside this one. The other 3 can't fit in there. So you were able to put 2 out of the 5 that you were trying to do. The other method, cross. Now you can write it as a fraction, 2 over 5. And that's it. Oh, and same thing here. You can cross the 5s, and you can write it as 4, 6. You can simplify that to 2/3. That's fine. If you didn't, that's okay too. I'm big on simplifying. Is there one that's something that would cause you some problem? Let's do this for a change. So you got something that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So 5, 6 is all the way here. 2, 6 is this. I don't know why I didn't cut the rest. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is pretty simple. How many groups of 2s, right? Can you make out of 5? You can actually. You can make one group of 2, right? Fits in there once. Another group of 2. It fits in there. Oops. Right? It fits in there, and now it can fit in here too. So you can make 2 groups of 2. And if you try to fit these 2 in here, you won't be able to fit those 2 in there, but you can fit one of them out of the 2. The other method, cross, cross, 5 over 2, and you get 2.5, right? Because 2 going to 5 2 times, 1 left over 2. And I guess I won't do all of them, but I'll do one more. Let's do 10. Something out of 13. Nice number, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Esse também tem que ter 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we're going to shade in 5, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bottom one we're going to shade 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you make a group of 7 out of 5? You can't, but you can make a group of 5, right? So you were trying to make a group of 7, but you weren't, but you made a group of 5. Out of the what you were trying to do, out of the 7. That is your answer. Cross, cross, right? And you write it as a fraction. 5 over 7. We could have done this without the modeling, but without the modeling, it would have looked like your lesson would have been this. Well, done. You would have no idea what this 5/7 means. Now, you get a little visual. Okay, so that's it. I'm not going to do any all of them for you, but if you have any questions, just email me.